Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the October 2022 ZenPoP box. This is a monthly box of curated Japanese stationery products. The theme for the month is called Moonlight Shadow. It's based around shorter nights, colder evenings with the moon shining bright, and the items in here are more on the black and white theme, so you can create some cozy, some spooky things as we go into October. So I'm going to show you everything in the box. We actually have 10 items, actually more than 10 items, because this one in particular, it's 3 right there. But before I show you everything, because it is such a fabulous box this month, I do want to show you their cute little card that's always in the box, and it represents the spooky theme of Halloween and fall and just everything to do with going into this season with change. And if you are interested in getting the box, first of all, here is a QR scan code. When you scan this, you're going to see a full description of every item in the box. But I also have a code and a link, which I'll leave in the description box below. Jane5 will get you $5 off this particular box, which I highly recommend. Okay, let's get to the first item. These are a set of pens by CureTake. They're 3 brush pens. You have a fine black one, a fine gray, and an extra fine black. And I'm just going to do a little pen test for you, just to show you how nicely these work. There is an event in October called Inktober, hosted by Fujikachi, where if you post your stuff online and tag them and tag ZenPoP Japan, they can see all the nice artwork that you create with your fine liners, your mid liners, your pens, and everything like that. So this one here is a thicker line than the other two, and it's your basic black pen. I like how it goes on, and I also like the thickness of that line and how it even feels in my hand. And then this one is the same, but it's a gray or color. So depending how you spell gray, some people spell it with an A, some people spell it with an E. You know, truthfully, I don't even know which one is correct, but there you go, to please both types of spellers. So this is a really nice gray one. And then the last one is a extra fine black. Also goes on very nice, extra fine. And obviously this is black. So those are the 3 pens. Check out Inktober. It's for the whole month of October. And I'm going to check it out online because I've never heard of it, and it just seems like something fun to do. And speaking of fun, at the end of this video, I am going to do a little craft process video with some of the items in this box. So you might want to check that out and see what I create. Because, all right, I'm going to go to the very bottom. That's what I'm going to be using. I haven't seen this before in any, of the ZenPoP boxes, where they actually give you a really nice size sketchbook. I don't have my ruler handy, but it looks at least 6 by 8 inches. And the paper inside is really nice texture. You could take this with you on your travels, or if you go outside and want to sketch, and stick it right into your purse. And that's what I'm going to be using at the end of this video. I'm going to show you some of the things I have been creating lately and having fun with watercolors, and these pens are going to be used as well. So that's a sketchbook. Really like it. And here, speaking of paper, we got a set of Collier Foncé Dot Fusion. It is paper from Pilot. Let me open it up and show you. So there's 15 sheets each, so a total of 30 sheets of paper in this little book. So you can see, hopefully, the little dots. See the dot grids? There's 15 of those sheets. These are actually like Post-it papers with a sticky edge right there. So you have this dot grid, and then you have a regular grid. So this is great for bullet journaling in your planner, and you're going to get a total of 30 sheets in this. So love it, love it, love it. And speaking of paper, they also included these Cocoa Fusion bookmarks from Canmedo. There's actually 120 sheets, 2 cases. These are great, you know, as a placeholder in your book or your journal. Let's take a look at it and see exactly what it's like. Oh, I see. You have to get them up through this little, let's see. I'm not going to rip it right now, but you have to finagle it up through this little opening right here. See the little opening? So I don't want to rip it right now, but there are 120 of these in here. Very cute. Okay, speaking of more papers, we got a set of stickers from Mayonaka. They're the No Zakin Clear Seal from Green Flash. These are fluorescent anime stickers. So let's check that out. I'm not really sure what they look like. So I will show you. Oops. I left the stickers. So they are clear stickers. These were the black backdrop. You see those stickers? That's why they have the black, so you can see them better. So it's mostly animals and little birds, doggies, chickens, owls. There's a flamingo. Really cute stickers. Definitely use these on darker paper. They're very easy to peel off. I can feel it right there. So there we go. We have a set of adorable stickers, animal theme. Then we got this ceramic pen cutter. This is by Otho. So I actually looked at this before I started the video. I wasn't really sure. I mean, I've had pen cutters before and little knives. Let me show you how this works. I grabbed a magazine. So first of all, it comes with a really nice cap. And take it off. The ceramic pen cutter is right there. You gotta be careful. You do not want to cut yourself, obviously, but it's not, what I'm trying to say is it's not going to roll out or in. It's just going to stay in place. So, you know, like anything else, I do have a self-adhesive cutting mat. I just don't know where it is, so I'm just going to show you how easy this thing cuts. Just place it down and you cut. And actually, it curves really nicely. So you have to practice with it definitely on cutting, but you saw that cut really easy. Now I didn't get the right angle over here, but basically that's how it works. Just play around with it a little bit, apply the pressure, and it cuts very easily. Yeah, I cut out that person's name. Just be careful with this. Now they say about this ceramic cutter that it lasts like 5 times as long, 5 times the wear resistance of metal blades. So it's supposed to last a long time. This is a Japanese product called from Otho. So you might get it in different color. Mine is like a gray black one. Definitely experiment with it a bit before attempting cutting out something you really like and don't want to ruin. And then we got this pen. So you can get this pen. Mine is actually going to be a white ink. You can get this pen in your box. It could be white, it could be purple, it could be orange. I happen to get white, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is a great accent type pen, especially if you need accents on some of your drawings. But it is a fine liner white pen. And I'll just show you a simple flower. But it's very good to do accents. Obviously, have to use it on black paper or maybe like dark red. But I do not have a accent pen at all. And I was actually looking for a white one. So this is perfect to have. I'm going to keep this handy because you can do all sorts of accents in your artwork and nice shading like that. And to me, white is perfect because I have all sorts of other colored pens. By the way, this is from Juice Up. That's the name of the brand, Juice Up. Never heard of it, but it is a Pilot pen. It's Juice Up pastel color from Pilot. So there we go on that. Still have some more goodies in this box. So we have two, not one, but two washies. They call them masking tapes. I usually call this washi tape. And I think out of all the boxes I received, these two are probably one of my favorites. Look at this one. Excuse the mess. Let me open it up for you. Isn't that nice? All sorts of inks. I don't know, I just love this one. I love, you know why I love it? I love it because it's blue and pink and purples, and those are some of my favorite colors. So that's the first masking tape. Very nice. And then we got this other one, which is more like clouds, and it's a gray. It's a gray, black, little bit of white theme of clouds. Isn't that beautiful as well? These are from Paper Plots. This one is from Paper Plots, and this one is from Kodomo no Kai, and they call them masking tapes. Here in America, we call them also masking tapes or washies. And the last thing that we got in the box are these really cute erasers. They're, don't make fun of my accent here. They're from Nankono Nakashi erasers from Crux. So let me open it here with my new little cutter. I can open this tape right here. Let me do that off camera. I don't want to cut myself. Okay, there we go. And look at these. They're so cute. They're glow in the dark. This pair of cute kitty. They look like they're glow in the dark. I'm not really sure if they are glow in the dark, but they're absolutely adorable. I think I'm going to put them right in front of me so I can just look at them. So that is the October ZenPoP box. We got the erasers. I got the white accent pen by Pilot. I got the ceramic cutter pen, which again, practice with this. You have the 3 sets pens of different thicknesses and colors. The little book tabs or planner tabs. The 2 black pads, dot grid, and the regular hatch cross grid. And we got the 2 cool masking tapes, which I really love those. From the art book, the sketchbook. So you can do all sorts of pretty art and just create and feel good about what you're doing. And the last thing we got were these stickers. I didn't want to forget about those translucent stickers. So that is the October box. Stick around. I'm going to show you what I've been creating lately, and I'm going to do it in this little sketchbook. So if you're interested, $5 off with Jane 5. I will leave the link below. And thanks for coming by my channel. I so appreciate your support. If you can give me a like and a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments below. I love to interact with all of you, and I will see you soon. Take care all. Bye.
I dreamed that you were blind, and I went walking, looking for the light, but then I lost it, trying to bring the right thing home to you. And I see now that nothing is a waste until it runs out. I built myself a castle just to climb down and rifle through the fragments of my youth. And I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles, one way in and one way out. My love, it's gonna be a while till I know who I am again after you. After you. So I wake here, floating on a cloud above the last year, and I can see the moon now as the fog clears. The stars were burning, we just looked away. And I'm grieving 100 little lives for every season. You have parts of me that I don't need, and though I tried, I could not fight the change. And I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles, one way in and one way out. My love, it's gonna be a while till I know who I am again. Oh, and nothing much has changed except some blinding revelations. I am holding out my hands. A fickle heart requires patience, I know. And I'm on my way again after you. After you. to help with some reflection. Try to get in writing really what I'm feeling, 'cause I've been feeling confused. Rocked in my mind are our tunes, the tunes we wrote but never done. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and fight it. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and fight it. Now I'm feeling out of tune. Used to feel you in the room. Baby, I'm screwed, I'm screwed. Hurt myself so many times. Thought I knew, but that's a crime. Baby, I'm screwed, I'm screwed. Screwed you, screwed you, screwed you. Oh, screwed you, screwed you, screwed you. Is this all a lesson to help with our connection, to try and get us closer, only on the down low? 'Cause all I want's affection, locked in my mind confessions of things I never told you. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and fight it. Nothing seems to go my way, go my way. I'ma try and fight it, I'ma try and fight it.